Have you heard about ChatGPT? Or maybe you're already using it? Well, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to basically create a conversational dialogue. You can kind of refine and steer a conversation towards whatever format and detail you'd like. ChatGPT can be great for exploring a broad topic or maybe even offering you suggestions on how to get started with an assignment. However, something to keep in mind is that it is just a machine. It doesn't understand the complete context of your topic or maybe even where your thoughts might be heading. It can also be biased and inaccurate, using words that don't necessarily even make sense. It's kind of like that moment when you're at the source and you're trying to figure out another word for imagination, but it just doesn't quite sound right in the sentence that you're working on. That being said, let's quickly look at AI chatbots. There are a few AI chatbots out there, such as ChatGPT through OpenAI, Bard from Google, ErnieBot from Baidu, and Bing Chat by Microsoft. Some of these AI chatbots do require you to create an account using an email and a working phone number. If you don't feel comfortable doing that, you can use the ones that do not require users to make an account, such as Bing Chat. In today's video, you'll see me using ChatGPT through OpenAI, which does require you to create an account. Have you ever had those moments where you can't think of or decide on what to do next, or how to even get started on a task? ChatGPT can provide great help when it comes to exploring topics and ideas because it gives you suggestions. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to help come up with a timeline for writing that research paper that's due in your class soon. Or you can also prompt ChatGPT to brainstorm some ideas on a very broad topic that's related to your class. For example, in ChatGPT, I'll prompt it to give me some ideas on climate change. As you can see, it's busy coming up with a list of potential topics for me. It even provides a short description. If you find something within these suggestions that might be of interest, you can even ask it to tell you more about that topic. As you can see, it's a great tool to help get the wheels turning, but don't take everything you see here as the ultimate truth. You still have to do your research. A best practice that might be useful is to just use ChatGPT to help you get an idea of a topic and/or learn more about that topic. Then take some of the suggestions that ChatGPT provides and use that to conduct your actual research. This is where the library comes into play. In the next video, we'll look at library subject databases and how you can navigate them to conduct effective research.